Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am super excited. Why? Let me show you. Bismillah. Look at the weather. I feel like it's gonna rain any minute. I mean, I'm dying for rain. I haven't seen rain. It's been quite a while. And we haven't had any rain in whole June, and it's 4th. Yeah, it's 4th of July today. I mean, this is too much. That's why we are facing a heat wave every single week. So please everyone pray that it's gonna rain. So pray please that if it's gonna rain, we are gonna make the most famous thing that every Pakistani makes. It's fritters. That means Pakori. I hope it's gonna rain. It's raining. So I just saw it from the window. It's raining. I can't believe it. Let's go and watch it. Welcome. So our generator was outside and we had to take it back. It's raining. I thought it's gonna rain a lot. I was not coming here, but the rain stopped.
So now the balcony is clean.
Yeah, I cleaned it with the water. So it was raining. I took advantage of that since we don't have that much water in Karachi. We have to purchase water for using and for drinking. So I used that water, washed the balcony. It's much better, but if I had more water, I would have cleaned it even better. This is the weather so far. So I came to know that it's raining like a little bit. What do you call it? Drops. It's raining drops at least. So let's make pakoras and have fun with this weather and make chai. The best weather, the best things to eat. So first I'm gonna cut these onions, then I'll add the spices and make pakoras.
So I finalized my work and now I'm here. So it's a tradition in Pakistan. Whenever it rains, the tradition is to make fritters. We call it pakori and tea. So we are trying to do that. Where is it in the process?
It's almost done. I'll just fry it now.
Safia is making the pakori and I will make the tea. Let's check on Mama. Let's hope he's doing good. Assalamu alaikum. Mama and Darawale, Jod, Khairiyat, and Tabiat Umar Theek, Tik Thak, Khair Khairiyat. Yes, Mama has replied.
Assalamu alaikum. Khair Jod, Khair Jod, Khair Allah, Jod Salamat, Allah. Mama big mark on the Samo, Allah Sakata, Benza, and a group.
ठीक है बाबा, मेहरबानी अल्लाह हाफिज़. So yeah, he was struggling with kurbani. Means you have to purchase a goat and sacrifice it with the name of Allah. So since he's new in that country, so he was not aware how he can purchase a goat and carry out the sacrifice. So yesterday I talked with another person who I asked him to help Mustafa with that, and now I was just checking in, and Mustafa said that yes, that person has helped him and he has purchased a goat, mashallah, and so everything is good. So this is the pakori, this is the tea, the rain. It's good?
Yeah.
Really good.